All right, let's try another Xordle puzzle. Remember, we're solving two words simultaneously. We're given an initial guess, and the clues are the same as in Wordle. We know the A is in a second position, and we have an O, but it's not in the fourth position. All right, so let's see if we can locate the O. Let's try a word with a couple of O's. Let's do roots. If I can get my keyboard to work here, keyboard going to work. Come on, there we go. Except we know there's not an R, so let's try Lutz. Let's try an L. All right, we got the O in the right place, and we got an S and an L. Let's try the S first. Let's put the L second, and let's try slice. All right. We picked up an E at the end. We got an L and an S. How about something like aisle? A-I-S-L-E. We know there's not an I in it, but we might be able to pick up the S and the L. All right. Well, those are S and L are still not in the right place. And we got an A. So how about, let's see, can we put an S second to last pretty easily and try the L somewhere else? We have to do two separate words. Let's put the L third. Let's pick up a U and let's say bulky. There we go. Oh, we found the L, and we also picked up a B. Now we have an S and a U. S is either second or fourth. We don't know where the U is. Let's try usual, because that'll try the S second, and it'll also two spots for the U. Now we know the S has to be in the fourth spot, and we also need to pick up some other words. How about something that ends in SH? Is there a word that we can pick up using SH and two other letters that we don't know? I don't see any. Let's see. We can try. We'll try shush. Okay. Now we got. Let's see. We got 7 letters. The second and third spots have been determined. We got BSE. Can we start putting some words together? I'd really like some more consonants. We only got 2 guesses left, really 3. What good word can we use that picks up a lot of these consonants? We were spending so much time trying to locate the letters that we had that we're running out of letters to guesses to pick up some more letters. All right. Let's see. Can we find a word with 4 of these letters down here? The NG sounds good, but I don't see any 2 consonant opens that can give us the NG at the end. How about I can use pound for N, P, and D, and those are probably the more common letters in there. Oh, that's good. Okay, so now we know 9 of the letters, and we only got 2 guesses. Remember, on Xordle, if you haven't guessed any words yet, but on the last word you correctly guess one of the words, then you get a bonus guess because the game doesn't really want to end on a correct guess. All right, now bound jumps out at me at first, but let's look at this a little bit more closely to make sure that we're not missing something here. In the 4th and 5th spots, we have SN and ED. The D can't be preceded by the S, so it does have to be preceded by the end. So we're ending with SE and we're ending with ND. Now, L can't precede the ND, so L has to precede the SE. So we got something that ends in LSE and we got something that ends in UND. Now, as far as the LSE, could the O be in front of that? OLSE. I don't know any words that end like that. So the O can't precede the LSE, so the O has to precede the UND. So we're looking for a word like bound. Well, it's not bound. Found or wound. That's great. We've got 2 possible words, and it's just a coin flip to see which one it's going to be. Let's focus on the other one, the LSE, which will start with the B. Or is it bound? It could be bound. Taking a risk here. Okay, bound was correct. We got an extra guess. All right, we've got 4 letters, and the letters that we have left are, oh, I forgot about the A at the top. I'm bad about that. I forget about the clue at the top. Blank ALSE, most likely going to be false. Can't think of anything else. Okay, that one was a close one. I guess the lesson we can learn from this one is as you are trying to locate the letters that are given, make sure you fish around for a lot more of the common consonants. Kind of got lucky on this one.